Hi guys, and welcome to part 3 of my closet series. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some things that you should add to your closet, whereas in part 2 I shared with you guys some things that you should take out of your closet. We're gonna get right into this video. The first thing that you should add to your closet I have on, it's a blazer. If you're new to blazers and you don't have any blazers in your closet, I would definitely recommend that you start with a black one. As you're building up your blazer collection, then you can start adding colors like yellow, green. There are so many colors out there in blazers that the choices are endless. Blazers are so convenient. You can wear them with jeans to make a more chic, casual looking outfit. You can dress them up as a full-on suit, meaning grab the blazer and the bottoms to match your whole blazer to make it a more sophisticated business look. People don't realize this, but you can literally wear a blazer year-round. You can wear it in the summer, spring, fall, winter, year-round. The second thing that you should add to your closet, I have mentioned before and I will mention again, and that is a nice silk cami. You can pick this up in black, in white, in so many colors. They look very nice. They're comfortable, they're not skin tight, they're appropriate for any situation. You can tuck them in, you can take it out. However it is that you wear a silk cami, it looks good regardless. The third item you should add to your closet are a pair of loafers. Loafers are amazing. They can be worn with a suit, they can be worn with jeans, they can be worn with shorts, they can be worn with anything, and regardless of how you wear it, it will look good. Here I have a pair of black Sam Edelman loafers that I picked up maybe about a year and a half ago. I have worn these things in. They are Gucci-esque. They have this little buckle right here. They're all black leather. They actually, if you step on them, you can wear them as open back loafers, or if you want, you just leave it like this and they're just some nice closed back loafers that are really comfortable. The fourth item that I recommend everyone adding to their closet or wardrobe is a silk scarf. I understand that in part 2 of this series I told you to get rid of some scarves. However, you can add a silk scarf if you don't have one already. I love a silk scarf. It can be worn on your bag, you can wear it as a head wrap, you can wear it as a belt, you can wear it in your hair. There's just so much that you can do with a scarf. Here I have an example of a silk scarf that I just picked up off of Amazon. This one is amazing. I love the print on it. It is 35 by 35 and I love this color because it really suits my skin tone. The last thing that I recommend that everyone adds to their closet, to their wardrobe, are a pair of black rain boots. I know the name of it makes it seem like you can only wear it when it's raining, but that is not the case. I wear my rain boots in the spring, in the winter, in the fall, in the summer occasionally, like if I'm going outside and I know there's gonna be dirt everywhere, I will wear my rain boots. These are an example of some black rain boots that I have. They look really dirty because, like I said, I wear these things all of the time. In the winter, what I'll do is I'll grab some thick socks and I'll wear them with my rain boots because sometimes your toes can get a little cold inside of some rain boots. But yeah, all I really have to say is that these are amazing and I do believe that everyone should add a pair to their closet. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if any of you have any of these things in your wardrobe already, or if you have any recommendations of things that should be added in your wardrobe to your closet. Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. All you need to do is click that red button down below. Until next time.